Okay, so we've gone through quite a lot of things, and we've talked about on a number of occasions the visual appeal of things on Facebook. Now, obviously on your posts and everything, it's a really good idea to always add on some kind of an image or a video, something visual to draw the eye of people. So Facebook video is something else you can use for this function. So why use Facebook video? Well, it can be some powerful storytelling. So if you have a nice organizational video that you'd like to share with people, something you have on YouTube perhaps, you can share it out. It can be very engaging for people to look at. It can draw in a wider audience and really generate engagement. And you can capture live moments. So we'll talk about Facebook Live a little bit later on. And of course, if you have a video, once it's saved to your video section on your Facebook page, you can use it again anytime, so you can share it out on future occasions. So how do we upload a video onto Facebook? Well, if you'll remember when we were creating a post before, there was the option to upload a photo or video. So you just use exactly the same thing again, this time for video. And note that videos must be in MP4 format and also in order, to upload them here. So just like we did before, we're clicking on Upload Photos and Video, and then you're browsing for the folder where you've saved your MP4 video file on your computer. Then you've got a little bit of video set up here, and the first thing you do is add a title for the video. Add a short description on what the video is about. And you can also add some keywords to help people find your video on Facebook. These don't have to be a hashtag, just a simple word. For example, fundraising, charity, something about what your charity is doing, like young people, disabilities, anything like that. Something that will help people find your video and that's relevant to them. Then you simply click on Next to continue. Then you'll be prompted to choose a thumbnail picture, a little mini image that will represent your video on Facebook, and it will give you a selection to choose from. This is the auto-generated ones that's been given to me from my video by Facebook, and then we're going to choose this one here. If you'd rather not choose one of these auto-generated images, you can instead upload one of your own. For example, you can make one of the right size in Canva. And then you click Next. Now you can post the video to your Facebook page immediately. You can click Publish Now. Or just like you can with draft posts as well, you can schedule it to be posted at a later date or time. So you might not want to launch your video, for example, on a particular date. You might want to wait until a month later, or the launch of your project, for example. If you'd rather return to setting it up later, you can still save the video as a draft, and you'll be able to return to it under Publishing Tools on your page, and then Video Library. So it will still save as long as you've been saving what you've done so far.